Hey Visioneers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful AI video tools out there, HeyGen.com. Whether you want to create talking head videos without being on camera, localize content, or build a custom AI avatar that speaks just like you, this platform can do it all. Let's dive in and see exactly how you can get started, step by step. Step 1. First things first, head over to HeyGen.com. If you're new, click on sign up in the top right corner. You can sign up using Google, Microsoft, or your email. If you already have an account, just log in. Step 2. Once you're inside, this is your dashboard. It's super clean and beginner friendly. Create video is where you'll make new projects. Templates offers a library of pre-made designs. Under Avatars, you can choose a talking character, or even upload your own face. On the left-hand side, you'll also find options like My Videos, Brand Kit, and Voice Cloning. We'll touch on each shortly. Step 3. Let's create your first video. Click Create Video. Here you can either start from scratch or use a template. I'll choose a blank canvas. First, type your script in the text box. This is what your avatar will say. Then choose your avatar on the right. You can filter by gender, age, style, or even language. Step 4. Want to make an avatar that looks like you? Click My Avatars and hit Create Avatar. You'll need to upload a short video of yourself reading a script. HeyGen provides one. The AI uses this to map your facial movements and voice. Make sure your video has good lighting, clear background, and no background noise. After uploading, it'll take about 10 to 20 minutes for your avatar to be ready. Step 5. Once your avatar is set, it's time to add a voice. You can use a stock voice or upload your own, or even clone your voice using their voice training tool. Want to speak another language? No problem. Just enter your script, choose a language, and HeyGen will automatically translate and sync the lips. Pretty amazing. Step 6. Now let's personalize your video. You can change the background, add your brand logo, upload images or videos, and even use dynamic text or animations. All elements are drag and drop, so it's super intuitive. Step 7. When you're done, click Generate Video. It might take a few minutes depending on length, but you'll get a notification when it's ready. Step 8. Once your video is generated, you can download it in HD, share it directly to your socials, or embed it into your website or LMS. And that's it. You've just learned how to make AI videos using HeyGen, from signing up to building your own avatar. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want a full demo on voice cloning or avatar localization.